Okay, so this is when a does not equal 1, so then there's going to be a number here for this one. So the first step is going to be the same. So you still just do a times c and find two numbers that add up to equal b. So we'll go through, I have 3 examples to do. So if we have 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is 2 times 12 is 24. And then we're going to find two numbers that multiply to get 24 and add up to get 11. So I know that 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. And we're going to see which one of these will add up to equal 11. So that's going to be 3 and 8. So positive 3 and positive 8. So let's check it. 3 times 8 is 24 and 3 plus 8 is 11. So now when we go over here, since there's a 2x squared there, now it's going to be 2x and 2x. And then we found out that positive 3 worked and positive 8. So now there's one more step to this. So before we would be done here, but now we have to check if one or both of these simplify, meaning that there's a number that can go into 2 and 3 and or a number that can go into 2 and 8. So is there a number that can go into 2 and 3? No. Is there a number that can go into 2 and 8? Yeah, 2 can. So 2 goes into there and into there. So then this is just going to be 1x, so x, and 8 divided by 2 is positive 4. And then that didn't divide anything, so it's still just 2x plus 3. And that's it. And so then we would go through, and that's your answer, but if we wanted to FOIL and check, we could. So 2x times x is 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12. So then those add up and make 11x plus 12. That's it. Okay, the next one. Let's do another one. Let's do 4x squared minus 12x minus 7. So we're going to do 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. Two numbers that multiply to get negative 28 and add up to get negative 12. So I know that we get 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 3 can't go in, 4 can't go in, 5, oh wait, 4 can go in, right? 4 times 6, yeah, 4 times 7. And then 4 times 7, 5 can't go in, 6 can't go in, and as soon as we get back over to this side, we're done checking. Okay, so now let's see if one of them were negative or both, just depending, you can figure out. So 1 and 28, if 1 and 28 go here and one of them were negative, positive, that would not work. 2 and 14, a difference of 12? Yeah, so then 2 and 14, let's figure out which one's negative. So then 14 would have to be negative 2 plus negative 14. So then we go over here, and 4x squared was here, so we get 4x and 4x. And then we had 2 and negative 14, so positive 2 and negative 14. Okay, now let's see if there's a number that can go into both of those. So 2 can come out of both of those, so divide each of those by 2. And a 2 can come out of both of those too. So then these are both going to simplify. So then we're going to have 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 7. And that's it. And then we can FOIL it and check it. Okay, let's just do one more. 3x squared minus 16x plus 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. Two numbers that multiply to get 15 and add up to get negative 16. So I know to multiply to get 15, I can get 1 times 15. 2 can't go in, 3 times 5, 4 can't go in, and then we're back to 5, so we're done. Okay, so which one of these will give me 16? Well, that one's going to be the closest. And so 1 and 15. And to get a positive 15, both of these are going to have to be negative. So negative 1 plus negative 15, yeah, that gives me negative 16, and negative 1 times negative 15 gives me positive 15. Okay, and then so over here, I'm going to have 3x and 3x, and then negative 1 worked, and negative 15. Okay, so 3 and 1, is there a number that can go into those? No, so that's going to stay. Is there a number that can go into 3 and 15? Yeah, 3 can, so 3 can be divided. So then this one didn't change. Don't forget to bring that one down. Sometimes students forget to bring that down, though. If it doesn't change, you just rewrite it. Okay, and then this goes into x minus 5. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to do one more video in a little bit, hopefully when Emery goes down for now, of like more examples where there's like special cases. So I'm sure you'll see those on your homework. Okay.